GR IAS Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome to GR IAS Academy. So today we are in the day 3 of Mission Surya Programme. It is a 100-day prelims marathon program in which we will be covering 100 important themes from current affairs for prelims 2026. So let us see the first topic today. So Himachal Pradesh has opened the Shipkila Pass to domestic tourists. Shipkila Pass was closed during COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 and it is recently opened for domestic tourists. So let us see the importance of Shipkila Pass. It lies on the line of actual control. It has got a historic trade significance in the region. So it has facilitated the exchange of goods between India and Tibet. For example, goods like agricultural tools and textiles were sent from India to Tibet, and other goods like wool and herbal medicines were brought to India from Tibet. So this is a historic trade corridor between India and Tibet. Let us use this opportunity to see more passes in the Himachal Pradesh area. So remember these passes from north to south. First, at the top there is Baralacha Pass, and next we have Rohtang Pass. After that we have Debsa Pass, and last Shipkila Pass. So Rohtang Pass was in news few years ago, like the Atal tunnel, all-weather connectivity tunnel was constructed under the Rohtang Pass, connecting Manali area and Lahore Spiti area. So another important point regarding Shipkila Pass is that the river Satluj, which is a tributary of river Indus, enters India through this Shipkila Pass. So I hope these 4 passes are clear, and the north to south arrangement is also important. Next, let's move on to the second topic, that is Saksgam area in the Pakistan occupied Kashmir region. So India rejected China's infrastructure activities in this area, the Saksgam area, and termed the projects under China-Pakistan Economic Corridor as illegal and invalid. So India claimed the territory of this region as a part of India. So let us see a few important places in this region. Here is the Saksgam Valley. Below the Saksgam Valley there is Siachen Glacier. We all know this is the highest battle point in the world. So here there is Aksai Chin. This is the line of actual control. And here we have Gilgit and Gilgit-Baltistan region. Also see the locations of Kargil and Leh. And here exactly below this Siachen Glacier we have Nubra Valley. And there is Galvan Valley over here. So these are few important places in this region. We have had a PYQ regarding Nubra Valley and Siachen Glacier. So let's see the next topic, that is Nahargarh Wildlife Sanctuary. Nahargarh Wildlife Sanctuary was in news because the Rajasthan Forest Department has moved the territorial boundaries of this sanctuary. Let us see few more details of this sanctuary. It is located in the Aravalli range, and it is named after Nahargarh Fort. It is an 18th century fort built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II. So Maharaja Savai Jai Singh was a Rajput ruler belonging to the kingdom of Amber, and after this Nahargarh Fort, the wildlife sanctuary is named as Nahargarh. And if we see this here, it is very close to the city of Jaipur. And remember, Nahargarh Wildlife Sanctuary is in Aravalli ranges, it is not near the Thar desert. So let's move on to the next topic. This is another important topic, that is Achanakamar Tiger Reserve. It is located in Chhattisgarh, and Achanakamar Tiger Reserve was established as a wildlife sanctuary earlier, and then it was converted into a tiger reserve. So this falls under Achanakamar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve. And another important point is that Baigas tribe, which is a PVTG, resides in this region. Let us see the biosphere reserves present in India. So there are 18 biosphere reserves in India. Out of 18, 13 are under UNESCO's network of biosphere reserves, that is under Man and Biosphere Programme. For example, Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve was recently added to the UNESCO list, making total 13 out of 18 under the UNESCO. So if we quickly see the biosphere reserves under UNESCO's network, we have Cold Desert, which is recently added, next Nanda Devi, Pachmarhi, Panna, and the Amarkantak, Achanakamar and Amarkantak, Nilgiri, Agastya Malai, and here there is Gulf of Mannar, Great Nicobar, Simlipal, Sundarbans, and only Nokrik in the northeast, Kanchenjunga in the Sikkim. So these are the 13 biosphere reserves under UNESCO's network. So let's also see a few more details about PVTGs. We have seen that PVTG Baigas reside in Achanakamar Tiger Reserve. So PVTGs are nothing but a subclassification under scheduled tribes who are more vulnerable and more backward. So this categorization was done based on the recommendations of Debar Commission in 1975. Initially they were named as primitive tribal groups. After that in 2006 they were renamed as PVTGs, particularly vulnerable tribal groups. So there are 70 such groups identified till now. 70 scheduled tribes were given PVTG status till now, and largest population of PVTG is present in Madhya Pradesh. And also few government initiatives like PM Janman and PM PVTG Development Mission. These are exclusively for the welfare and development of PVTGs in India. And Ministry of Tribal Affairs is the nodal ministry for the implementation of schemes for PVTGs. Let's move on to the next topic. This is about disputed areas in the South China Sea and East China Sea region. Disputed regions is a very important topic for prelims, and at least one question will be asked every year in the prelims. So let's see the Senkaku Islands. It is present in the East China Sea area. So China Coast Guard ships conducted rights enforcement patrol near these islands. So basically this is a disputed region between Japan and China. If you see, Chinese territory is here, it is close to Taiwan as well, and it is close to Okinawa. This is a Japanese island. So Chinese assertion of territorial claims in this region is seen as a threat by both Japan and Taiwan. So this region is claimed by both Japan and China. Let's see this clearly here. This entire region is claimed as exclusive economic zone by China, whereas this entire region is claimed by Japan as its exclusive economic zone. And exactly in between their claims lies the Senkaku Island. So it is of economic significance and strategic significance for both the countries. So it is the disputed region here. Next, move on to the disputed areas in the South China Sea. For example, Scarborough Shoal. This is the disputed area between China and Philippines. So the Philippines has strongly opposed China's announcement to establish a nature reserve in the South China Sea at the Scarborough Shoal Island, resulting in tensions and standoffs. Let's see a few more disputed areas in the South China Sea area. So this is the South China Sea region, and if you see here, this is the 9-dash line, and everything present inside this 9-dash line is claimed by China as its exclusive territory. For example, Paracel Islands, Scarborough Shoal, and Spratly Islands. So these three places are not inhabited by humans. They were rich in fishing reserves. They are rich in fishing reserves here. So these places are claimed by both China and Philippines. So remember the north to south arrangement of all the disputed areas here. Here we have Senkaku in the East China Sea, and this Senkaku is also called as Diaoyu Islands by China. So Senkaku as called by Japan and Diaoyu as called by China. So remember these 4 places in the north to south arrangement. Senkaku, then Parasil, Scarborough Shoal, and next Spratly. So these are the disputed territories here. That's it for today. Thank you. We have planned these sessions to be short and crisp. For more details regarding these topics, please visit our WhatsApp and Telegram channels. Links would be provided in the description. And also, please subscribe to GR IAS Academy YouTube channel for more updates regarding the Mission Surya program. Thank you.